many high-performing teams today, motivation and capability aren't the problem, exhaustion is. People are working hard, but operating in ways that steadily drain their cognitive energy, fragment their focus, and make consistent high performance difficult to sustain. Exhausted to Energized is an immersive neuroscience-based workshop designed for high performers and teams working in high-pressure, high-stakes, always-on environments. It shows why energy, focus, and recovery are not personal habits, but are strategic biological systems that must be supported if performance and well-being are to hold over time. But this is more than just a well-being session. It's performance architecture, performance for your human operating system, your HOS, which is how your brain and body are designed to function and flourish. Participants won't just hear the science in this workshop, they will experience it firsthand through guided, evidence-based protocols such as physical movement, breath work, stress regulation, non-sleep deep rest, and focus protocols. They will feel in real time how regulation restores clarity and capacity. This experiential element turns recovery from an abstract idea into a concrete, practical skill that they can apply during real workdays. People leave with a personalized energy framework that they can use between meetings, before high-stakes moments, and across demanding days and weeks. So performance and well-being become more consistent, resilience drives, and sustainable peak performance is achievable. Because when organizations support how their top performers function, they don't just get less output, they get better thinking, steadier energy, and performance that lasts.